Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. So I am in the week 2 module. You'll see here your weekly overview. So your main reading materials are going to be the Principles of Entrepreneurship textbook, part 1 through 6, and the Green Business Plan Guide. You also have an article. Again, your textbook is in the Getting Started area. You click on it and you'll see your links for the Principles of Entrepreneurship textbook and the Green Business Plan Guide. Okay. And you also have an article that's here in this folder. And optional is your Sustainable Resources folder, which is here and it's full of articles on sustainable businesses. Okay, so your first assignment is the discussion assignment that is due by Thursday, May 28th. You have 3 discussion questions. Make sure that you're detailed with your responses. Answer it directly, but also provide supporting statements and supporting sentences. Okay, so don't just answer the question in one sentence and move to the next. This is a discussion assignment. So I took it easy on everybody the first week, but now we're moving forward and I need the quality of you guys' work to improve some more. Okay, so make sure you're actually discussing these things after you share your initial answer. For example, number 3, list possible solutions to the issue. That's full discussion. So you should have a paragraph there where you're discussing possible solutions to an issue. Okay. You need to have in-text citation after each sentence that you use from a resource. You also need to have a reference list. That's where your full citation will go. Okay. Also, make sure you guys are looking at rubrics. Hold on, let me go back. Make sure that you are looking at the grading rubric each week. Okay. So I'm going to go here to grades. And by each assignment, you'll see view rubric. So this week, we're doing the executive summary. Hold on, let me find it. Okay. I gotta go back. Okay, so I'll fix this, guys, and make sure that it's showing the rubric. But for example, let's look at this one. And maybe it's down further. Yeah, so that's what happened. Hold on a second. Okay. So it's just down here. I'll move it up to the top. So view rubric. This is the rubric for your executive summary. See here, executive summary rubric. Include sustainable agenda in every section. That's worth 50 points. So if you complete the executive summary and you don't have anything, you're not discussing sustainability in any way, that means you're going to lose 50 points. Okay, that's the majority of the assignment. Completed every section. That's 20 points. Grammar is 15 points. An MLA format to show research was conducted is 15 points. This is 15 points every week. Okay, so before you start working on your assignments, make sure that you look at the rubric to see how much each thing is worth and check it. After you finish your work, check and make sure you have each of these completed, because that's what I use to grade. Okay. Alrighty. Go back up to the top. For example, this was your rubric from last week. Accuracy of content, completion, grammar, and MLA format. A lot of people did not do any type of citation, so you were automatically deducted the 15 points and you started off with an 85 instead of a 100. Okay, so make sure you are checking the rubric before and after you start your assignments. All right, let's go back. Week 2. Okay, so your second assignment is the executive summary. These are the instructions. You need to start this after you read the Green Business Plan folder. The Green Business Plan folder is here. It has all of this is the detailed instructions for the business plan assignment, okay? So it tells you about the assignment, what type of mindset you need to approach this with, how you're going to submit each week, how is it going to be graded, citations required for every submission, 15 points, questions, okay? You have the template here. This business plan template is required. This is required. If you submit any piece of the business plan assignment and it's not in that template, you're going to have a 0 until you submit the proper assignment. And remember, it's 5 points off each day that you're late. Okay, so this is 2 examples of the Green Business Plan, 2 really good projects that students did in the past. But note, these are just general examples. Don't follow it word for word. Each week as you're completing your work, you follow the assignment instructions and you follow the template word for word. Okay, let's take a look at the template. Okay, so, did it take me out? Sorry, guys. I'm not sure if you all were able to see that or not. Go back. Okay. So, y'all see my crazy computer. Okay. So let's look at this template. This is the heading, okay? You guys don't have to alter that page at all. This is where you will start. You put the name of your business here. This template is for you to fill in and customize it for your business. So the name of your business goes here, your tagline, the date you prepared it. Your contact information goes here, your website, your phone number, your address, if you have a physical address. These are the table of contents. Do not alter these. Okay. Executive summary. So the executive summary includes opportunity, expectations, opportunity and expectations. Within this expectations area has 2 sections to it, okay? So this is what you'll be doing this week. Each section has instructions, okay? You guys are to go in, put your responses, okay? Then you delete the default text. So when you submit to me, I'm only going to see your responses, not where it says instructions, okay? And that's what you're going to do, and then you're going to save it. When you save it, you're going to change the name and put your last name and your first name, and then you can put business plan. So the rest of this stuff is still going to be down here, but you just aren't going to worry about the rest of it yet, okay? Okay. So these are the different sections that you guys are going to submit. Each week you complete a section and you turn it in. Down here you have your reference list and appendix. So when you're completing each section, you're going to have different resources that you use, and you're going to cite them in the text. So let's say that I'm citing Thompson 2008. Well, that's a long time ago. Let me put 2018. Thompson 2018. Let's say here I cited Jackson 2020. Okay. So then all the way down in my reference list, that's where I'm going to have the full citation for Thompson, whatever it is for that, and then Jackson, everything for that. Okay, so just make sure that it's formatted neatly because you do get points for organization. All right, so your reference list is already here. The entire business plan is already done. It's already formatted for you. You just have to fill it in. Okay. If there are any questions about the business plan assignment, please let me know. And again, please contact me in advance. This is a brief video that I'm doing for you guys, even though it's lasting longer than my normal weekly videos. But I just wanted to make sure I was very detailed with showing you guys where you need to go for completing and the information that you need to complete the business plan assignment. But I need for you guys to read this entire business plan folder completely, okay? Don't skim over it, read the entire thing. Make sure you understand the assignment and what you need to do so you can have good scores. If there are any questions about this week, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks. You guys have a great week.